Yep, our street has become a river.
What?
Our street has become a river.
Yeah, like living in Venice.
You're right, like living in Venice. Okay, let's see if this guy makes it through.
Except without all the sound. People aren't speaking Italian. Oh, look at that wave. Look at that
You're right, here comes a wave. That's the wake from that SUV.
Yeah.
And it's covering up our sidewalk. Usually it doesn't, I mean that's the high part of the street. It usually doesn't flood the high part of the street.
Really?
But this time it did.
Even the high. Whoa, look at that.
So
So bright over there.
our whole intersection is flooded. You can see a little flotsam. That's the high water mark right there. Or no, that's not really a high water mark. That's from the wake. The wake pushed that ashore.
Yeah. No one for the water.
Yep, we certainly couldn't back out of the driveway if we wanted to.
Well, we could if we're okay with ruining ruining the Saturn.
You're right, we could, but we wouldn't want to, would we?
No.
Important distinction.
Okay, I remember what flotsam is. I forgot what jetsam is.
I'm not sure what the difference between flotsam and jetsam is. We ought to look it up as soon as we get power back. Or we could use our dictionary. How's that for a thought?
Yeah.
While we still have light, we could use the dictionary to look up those two words.
Well, we can.
I think flotsam is the stuff that washes up.
Yeah, like that mud, like the load on the side, next to the sidewalk.
And jetsam, I'm not sure what that is. That might just be crud that floats on the water. That's just a... Can't even see the curb. Wish someone would drive down the street to illustrate how deep it is. Yeah, there's the jetsam. No, flotsam, I'm sorry. That's flotsam across the street. Washed ashore by wakes from passing vehicles.
Flotsam is the stuff that floats on top of the water, and jetsam is the stuff that floats underwater.
Oh, so jetsam
Sinks.
is debris that's underwater.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Now we know. Thanks for looking it up right there.
Yeah, okay. Yep, it's a truck. An SUV and a truck. Miniature tsunami. There. trucks.
2 vehicles.
2 trucks. Only a different color. That's the only difference.
See the wake.
Yep. Oh, this is the perfect weather for otters. Entire neighborhood could have a pool party.
That's true.
If the water got higher. It's shallower. It's still more shallow than a shallow one. Wide kiddie pool. Oh, it looks like they're pulling something. Okay,
Yeah,
I think they're stuck.
No, I don't think they're stuck. They just changed their mind. Decided not to chance it.
Okay, but they're not.
Ambulance?
Yeah. Where's the siren?
Maybe he's returning from a... Whoa, that was dangerous.
Yeah. It almost hit. And a really slow turn makes a really big miniature wave. That's...
I guess the pickup has decided to risk it.
Yep. That truck and the ambulance could go through that. So I guess they can too. Well, that's a huge one. With all those waves crashing against the underkill. Small underkill. Up. Oh, look at that one. Right up above the tires and the, what is that, crash.